Hello, my friends. I haven't seen you for a while. Yes, I have been missing because I was working a lot. And today, finally, I got my new toy. Let's say, if I can call it a toy. So as you can see, this is a part cleaner. And you know, I never did a product review before, so it's my time. And it is quite an interesting one because it's a little bit different from all the others. You know, I started to search around 1 year ago what kind of parts cleaner I want. Because I will tell you why it is so important in this case. Because during my many years of classic cars restoration and building, I realized that the most time I spend on car parts cleaning and car cleaning in general, particularly in cleaning. And I am talking and mechanical cleaning and regular cleaning, but this is in general the biggest amount of time I have spent. So I started to do research. I thought, okay, so what do I need? And you know, I was looking sandblasting, wet blasting. I went to aqua blasting, was very interesting. But finally I thought I need a ultrasonic. But with the prices, that the budget for ultrasonic is you need at least 7,000-8,000 plus or 10,000. I realized I came back down to earth that, let's say, I need to spend less. And I decided that I need a regular, for the beginning, regular parts cleaner. But I started to look, and through all, I couldn't find the one I liked. Because, you know, the priority, of course, is nowadays is ecology. And this is the first reason why I picked up this parts cleaner. Because it's solvent-free. It has a water-based solution. And the better, next thing is the better one even, that it is regenerating. It means it can clean itself. There is a tablet special where it works together with a solution. And in these tablets there is a microorganisms that eats all the dirt and regenerate the solution. Does it sound cool? Yes. And the second reason, because it's as you can see, it's a stainless steel. So for that reason, for these two things, this is very expensive part cleaner. Yes, as I said before, you can find all these much cheaper, you know, for a couple hundreds, 2,000 and so on. But this is the whole point. So let's begin. I will show you what are the main parts. And here is the top. On this top, you can find a brush. The idea is the main brush. And also this one you can adjust how you want, where you can just have a, you know, water falling. So, when we open the top, we can see the inside. And also here we have the electronic control. Electronic control has heaters because it preheats the solution for the much more optimum performance. And also, I still missing here should be the filter. You know, my supplier was very apologizing because they forgot to add the filter that I ordered, and they will send me as soon as possible. And after sending the filter, I will put all together and I can do a test session. So I will put on a description part of this video the link of the original producer of this park cleaner. Even guys, I'm not promoting anything, but just for yourself, if you also looking something particular what I was looking. So, no, I don't know what to add, of course, will be much more interesting video when I start to use it, but it needs little bit still time, because I have to arrange things where to put and so on. But this is I'm very excited, because this kind of idea that, I am in a city center, in urban area located in Vilnius, and in general, I have to be very careful with all the waste and anything, So for me it was most important, because this is water-based solution. Even when I will rechange the solvent or something, I can go just to the toilet and move out. There is no any solvents. Plus, this is friendly for your skin, for anything, So this is very important, that environment, what I have here, it should be as more friendly, and sustainability is also my way. Even now, the building cars, I decided that I go to another step up and will try not to buy any new parts, what is these Chinese parts or something. I will try to search and buy everything from people, from hands, and try to use it again, and so on, because this is important. Of course, there is still some like metal sheets for welding that probably, I will need to buy, and so on. But as we all care about our planet and we all go sustainable, so this is the first step. Your parts washer should be also sustainable, should be green, water-based, no solvents, eco-friendly, health-friendly, and so on. So, my dear friends, enjoy the original video on a description part where I put the link, and I'm coming back because I almost done my Volkswagen Beetle with a very cool interior, and I will make a video very soon. So, stay in touch in my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and see you on my next video with my new projects. Greetings from Vilnius. Bye.